Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Zippy. I invite you today to make my bed with me. I'll show you how to make a bed in 7 simple steps to achieve a cozy and aesthetic look. First step is to lay your fitted sheet on top of the mattress. Once you've laid your fitted sheet, ensure you pull the corners so that it tucks in so well. The second step is to lay the flat sheet across the bed in the same to ensure you have enough to fold on each side.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never.
Step number 3, add another flat sheet. Remember, layering the bed adds depth and texture to the bed.
Be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Step number 4 is to place or lay the duvet on top of the flat sheet. Here I'm going to start with inserting a duvet into a duvet cover, and to do this I'm going to start by laying the duvet cover on top of the bed and then spread the duvet across the bed on top of the duvet cover. This is an effortless way of inserting a duvet into a duvet cover. You can try this at home.
goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show.
Once you've matched the duvet into the duvet cover, align the corners and the edges. Grab the corners of the duvet and slowly start rolling towards the headboard.
You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning.
Remember this, when laying the duvet cover, always ensure it is inside out. And when rolling the duvet cover together with the duvet, always ensure you pinch one side, the top side with the duvet, leaving behind one side of the duvet cover.
Off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Once done rolling the duvet cover together with the duvet, always ensure you shake the duvet cover down. Continue giving it a shake until it spreads evenly.
For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the knife, so far gone, I was blind.
When done, remember to secure your duvet cover by closing the buttons or zippers or ties. In our case, ours didn't come with any. Once everything is in order, now start by beautifying your bed. And to do this, we are going to add a number of pillows, that is sleeping pillows, decorative pillows, and accent pillows.
So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go on, won't go down. I see me for me.
Here I start with the Euro pillows, and then I go in with standard pillows, and then the sleeping pillows, and then decorative and accent pillow, and finish off with bolster pillow.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
To finish off the look, which is step number 7, add throw blanket. Remember, throw blankets make your bed look trendy.
Higher, oh.
Here we are laying back our carpet after it has been cleaned. And here is the final look that suits the mood and style of the day, a relaxing place that feels safe and luxurious.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go.
If you made to this far, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't and give this video a thumbs up.